Alright. So I'm on my new rocker and jig table. This thing is made to be semi-bulletproof. I weigh about 180 pounds and it doesn't even flinch. That's the point. When I put packing straps around the boards, I'm gonna need this thing to be able to hold up to it. So you can never overbuild one of these things. I'm pretty sure everyone would agree with me who's ever made one of these. My first version of it was pretty strong, and I used 1-inch plywood, and I had these variable levels for the rocker ring, and it actually broke apart from when I've been strapping down my boards. So I'm going to try this a little bit different and make a jig table like this, and then I'm going to go back to a way that I used to do and just shim the rocker. I may come back in a few months and actually make an attachment rocker table for this. That actually wouldn't be hard, and that's part of the way that I designed it, is that this is, I put a 2 foot wide by 8 foot long, so just rip a piece of plywood down the middle, and it's a table, and then I can put the different leveling jig screws and the wing nuts like I did in the past through it that way, if that's how I really want to do it.
Taking our time now, the future's in our hands. Forever, this thing will never end. Closing our eyes, feel alive tonight. Happy, 'cause it just felt so right. Memory.